Hey guys, welcome back to Cryptology. In today's episode, I'm going to show you how to purchase the CumINU token. It's a legendary new token that has a promising future. So first of all, we go up to the hamburger button, click browser, go to app.uniswap.org, then go down to select a token. You put the Ethereum or whatever token you want to swap in the top box. So we're going to hit select a token. Then we're going to go over to CoinGecko and get the CumINU contract address. Click to copy and pop it right in there. CumINU should now pop up. You're going to import that token. Now we're going to put in the amount we'd like to swap. I'm going to put 0.01 for demonstrational purposes. Looks like I'm going to get 19,564 CumINU. Confirm swap. Now look at your gas fees. They're a little up today, so I'm just going to use the average speed. Confirm. Now I'm waiting for CumINU. While my transaction is submitting, I can push this add CumINU to make sure the CumINU arrives in my MetaMask so that I can view it. Now close. Now you just wait for your CumINU to arrive in your wallet. If you want to check the status, click here, go to recent transactions. It'll take you right to the Etherscan transaction. Looks like my CumINUs are already deposited. That was extremely fast. If you thought this video was informative, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel. Thank you guys. Have a good day.